With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that a bob of a simple pendulum has 2 grams and charge 5 microcoulomb. It rests upon a uniform horizontal electric field of intensity 200 volt per meter at equilibrium. Okay. The angle at which the pendulum makes with the vertical is. So we need to find the angle which the pendulum makes with the vertical. Okay. So I'm explaining you what is here in this scenario over here. So over here, let's suppose this is the fixed surface and there is a pendulum from it. Okay, so this is the string and basically this is the bob. Bob was a little off phase, so let me draw it properly. So let's suppose this is the bob. Okay, so now you will see, you can understand that it's telling that it is the magnetic electric field is in the horizontal direction. Let's suppose it is in here. Okay, which is 200 volts per meter. Okay, you can see over here in the question only it is given 200 volts per meter. So basically, and the bob's weight is 2 grams. Okay, 2 grams. That means down there will be a mg force. Okay, and basically there will be a tension force up, but there will be also a electric field force which is q into e, due to which this criteria will become a little changed. It will be somewhat like this. Okay, the bob will come somewhat over here, so tension force will be over here, T, mg will be downwards, and basically QE will still be in this direction because it is positive. Okay, we can take it in either direction, there is no issue. Okay, we will get the angle as same only. So this is theta which we need to find. So we will take the components of T, which will be this. Since this is theta, so this will be T cos theta. I'm erasing this for a while, and this will be T sin theta. Okay, so these are the two things. So what we're going to get from here, basically we'll get equations, that is T cos theta must be equal to mg, and basically T sin theta must be equal to q into e. Okay, this is everything we have. So now what we're going to do, basically we have to means what we have electric field, we have m, we have g. Basically what we need to find the theta. So what we can do, we can divide these two equations. Okay, so 1 and basically 2. Okay, so if we see over here, we are been given the answer in tan theta, so we will divide 2 by 1 so that we can get sin by tan. Okay, so 2 divided by 1, what we are going to get over here, T sin theta by T tan theta, T cos theta, I mean cos theta, will be equal to q into e divided by m into g. Okay, so basically if we see, t and t will get cancelled and basically we'll left with tan theta. So basically tan theta will be equal to q. The charge is given 5 microcoulomb. If you see over here, 5 microcoulomb. So we'll put all the values now. 5 microcoulomb is basically 10 to the power minus 6. Electric field is basically 200 volt per meter, it's given, divided by mass is 2 grams, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, and basically g is 10. So you can see all the values are given in the question. 2 grams, 200 volt per meter, and basically 5 microcoulomb. So we are gonna calculate it now. So if you see properly, then what will happen, basically this 2 will get cancelled with this 200 and leave 100 over here, and basically what we'll have, this 10 will get cancelled and with this 10. Finally we'll have tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 3 into 10. Okay, this is basically what will be left. So now we will calculate the theta. Tan theta will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, this is what we will get from here, because this is basically, this will become 10 to the power 4. So we'll be left with 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this will be equal to tan. In tan, basically theta will be equal to tan inverse. Theta will be equal to tan inverse 0.05. Okay, so basically this is the answer. None of the options match. That means that this option was written incorrect, and basically our answer is tan inverse 0.05. okay, so basically no options over here is correct, so basically this must be a bonus question, but our answer is only this only, okay, because everything we calculated over here is correct. That means this must be a bonus question, and this is basically our answer. Okay, tan inverse 0.05. okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.